The TA dongle provides you the ability of setting the actuator configuration for the TA-Changeover system using live configuration or offline configuration. For live configuration of the actuator, connect the TA dongle to the TA slider actuator using the wire provided on the dongle. Then open the HiTune app, go to Bluetooth and connect to the TA dongle. You should be able to communicate with both TA dongle and the actuator with your smartphone. Once a connection is established, click on the image of the actuator and the dongle on the app to go to the actuator configuration screen. On this screen, select valve. Now, select valve family, pressure independent control valve. Then, select valve, for example, TA Compact P 3/4 inch. Go back to actuator configuration screen and select input signal. Ensure that the control type is selected as proportional dual range. For the signal type, select 0 to 4.5 and 5.5 to 10 volt DC. Now, go back to input signal and select stroke. Ensure that the stroke limitation is turned on. Then, go to stroke limitation and enter your desired heating and cooling flow requirement. Now, go back to the actuator configuration screen and select General. Go to Characteristics and select Equal Percentage Modified EQM. Now, go back to General, go to Relay and ensure that the relay is turned on. Then, go to Trigger and select Input Signal greater than. Now go back and on the input signal threshold, enter 5 volts. Once you are done making all the required changes, you can finally go back and make sure that you select persist changes in the actuator so that the configuration is transmitted and saved onto the actuator. For offline configuration, go to the HiTune app, go to Bluetooth, and make sure that the TA dongle is connected to your smartphone via HiTune app. The offline configuration can also be done with or without the TA dongle being connected to the actuator. Once the connection is established, go to Configurations, click on the plus sign on the top right corner of the screen, and create a folder with any name of your choice. After creating the folder, go inside the folder and click the orange icon on the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to the actuator configuration screen where you have to make sure that the correct actuator is selected, which in this case is TA Slider 160CO. Then go back to the actuator configuration screen and follow the same steps as the live configuration to set up the desired configuration for your actuator. You can save this folder once you have made the desired changes. After saving the folder with all the desired configuration, go back and slide the folder name with the desired configuration to the right. You will then see an orange and a gray square appear. The orange square will appear if you have connected your TA dongle to the actuator. Clicking the orange square will start the direct upload of the configuration to the actuator. The gray square can be used to upload the configuration just to the TA dongle. This function is useful when you have several actuators with the same configuration variables. The TA dongle can carry one configuration at a time, and you can use the dongle to transmit this configuration to your desired actuator.